DJI is keeping the momentum going after a thrilling summer launch of the Osmo Action 5 Pro and Neo, but they're not stopping yet. While many were expecting the Mavic 4 to be next, DJI has something else up its sleeve, the highly anticipated DJI Air 3S. With numerous leaks flooding in, we now have a clearer picture of what this drone is set to bring to the table. Equipped with dual cameras, Indd Filters, and even the possibility of LiDAR integration, the Air 3S is poised to make a big impact. Let's break down all the details we've uncovered so far, from its standout features to potential pricing. Thanks to leaked images from Jasper Ellens and Igor Bogdanov, we now have a complete look at the DJI Air 3S from all sides. The design feels familiar with its signature sleek gray body, but there are some notable updates. The dual camera system immediately grabs attention, and the addition of a new front sensor bar suggests improvements in flight safety and autonomy. One standout feature is the aperture on the lower camera, an f/2.4, which promises solid performance in various lighting conditions. Overall, the Air 3S is shaping up to be a versatile, well-balanced drone that delivers on both quality and functionality. Let's dive into the most exciting aspect, the camera system. Leaks from Jasper Ellens and Igor Bogdanov reveal that the DJI Air 3S is getting a major upgrade with a dual camera setup. That's right, 2 cameras in one drone. The primary camera boasts a 24mm wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes and sweeping shots that drone fans love. But the real game-changer is the secondary 70mm telephoto lens, which opens up new possibilities for detailed close-ups and cinematic perspectives. And there's more. The Air 3S will also feature a snap-on wide-angle lens with 0.6x magnification, allowing you to capture expansive scenes with even more drama or create striking angles that elevate your shots. Rumor has it that DJI has also slightly increased the sensor size, which means you can expect better low-light performance and an overall boost in image quality. One of the most buzzworthy leaks is about Indd Filters, and it's making waves. Reports suggest that DJI will include Indd Filters right in the box, Indd 8, Indd 32, and even Indd 128. If you're new to drones, Indd Filters are essential for controlling light, especially in bright conditions. They help you get the perfect exposure and capture those smooth, cinematic shots. By bundling these filters with the Air 3S, DJI is giving users more creative control without the need to purchase additional accessories. It's a generous move that adds significant value to the overall package. Safety is just as crucial as capturing stunning shots, and the Air 3S doesn't fall short in that department. According to leaks, DJI is enhancing obstacle avoidance with sensors positioned on the front, bottom, and rear of the drone. There's even a new sensor bar on the front, sparking speculation that it could be LiDAR or infrared. If that's the case, the Air 3S could offer even safer flights, whether you're in sport mode or navigating tricky environments. The leaks didn't stop with just the basics. There are some exciting hints about enhanced features as well. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the possibility of extended flight time, likely due to a larger battery. After all, more airtime is something every drone pilot craves. There's also buzz about double registration, which could suggest that some pro-level functionalities might be making their way to this model, potentially similar to DJI's Premium Cine or Pro versions. Let's get into the numbers. According to the leaks, the DJI Air 3S Fly More combo is expected to be priced at around $1,445. For that price, you're getting a complete package for an incredible flying experience. The combo includes the Air 3S, an RC2 controller, 3 batteries, a charging hub, spare propellers, Indd Filters, and a carrying case. In short, it's a ready-to-fly kit that covers everything you need for both casual flights and creative projects. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed a release date, the leaks suggest an October 15th launch, perfectly timed for the holiday season. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.